Hello, students of Standard 9. Once again, welcome to this YouTube channel of Montbretia. We are in the last phase of our chapter Physical Features of India. We have gone through all the physical divisions. We are in the last physical division, the islands of India. It is very important. Islands are always very beautiful. I do not know about you, but I like islands. I think you people have visited Maithan Dam during the winters for picnic. You enjoyed boat riding. When you enjoy boat riding, you try to see the islands which is in the middle. So these islands, when you see from long distances, it's a very beautiful. So we have to go through the islands, the beautiful islands of our country. You have already seen that India has a vast mainland. Besides this, the country has also two groups of islands. Can you identify these two groups of islands in Indian map? We are having Lakshadweep Island groups, which is lying close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. This group of islands is composed of small coral islands. Earlier they were called Lakshadweep. Lacadive, Lakshadweep. Minicoy and Amindive. Means these are the small corals. Now all together they are called Lakshadweep Islands. In 1973, these were named as Lakshadweep, combined to make Lakshadweep. It covers a small area of 32 kilometers. And Kavaratti Island is the administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep. These are union territories. You don't think that Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar, these two group of islands, are away from separate country. No, they are little apart from India, but they are the part of our country. These island groups have great diversity of flora and fauna. Different types of plants and animals are found here. The Pitti Island, which is inhabited, has a bird sanctuary. Very beautiful. Now you see the elongated chain of islands located in the Bay of Bengal, extending from north to south. They are bigger in size and more numerous and scattered. The entire group of islands is divided into two broad categories in the Bay of Bengal, the island which you get. The Andaman is in the north and Nicobar in the south. It is believed that these islands are an elevated portion of the submarine mountain which has been undermined in the sea. These island groups are of great strategic importance for the country. There is great diversity of flora and fauna in this group of islands too. These islands lie close to the equator and experience equatorial climate and has thick forest cover. The northern plain are the granaries of our country. They provide the base for early cultivations. But these islands are also very important for our country. Very important for our country. They are the tourist places. They give different flora and fauna, different types of medicinal plants you will get, different species of birds and animals can be found. And they are part of our country. They are the union territories under the union government. So these are the different physiographic divisions which we have studied from Himalayan to the island. In my next video, I will summarize the full chapter, importance of these physiographic divisions. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.